Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Heyman, the WWE Championship, WrestleMania, Universal Tag Team Championship, and the Undertaker, and John Cena, and Roman Reigns. Undertaker coming for the stage, WrestleMania stage coming for the Undertaker, and the Universal 33-match champion, Undertaker. Oh no, coming for the Roman Reigns, is the coming from the Roman Reigns, WWE champion, 37 match, Roman Reigns come from, yes, WWE champion, John Cena come from the stage, WrestleMania, and the 37 match champion, and they are going to match Roman Reigns, and the Tiger, and the John Cena. Coming for the stage, WrestleMania stage coming for the Undertaker, and the Universal 33-match champion, Undertaker. Coming for the Roman Reigns, is the coming from the Roman Reigns, WWE champion, 37 match, Roman Reigns come from the stage. Oh no, and the very good championship and the WrestleMania, the Roman Reigns. Oh yes, WWE champion, John Cena come from the stage, WrestleMania. And they are going to match Roman Reigns and the Tiger and the John Cena. On the Cup 2023 and the WrestleMania Championship Cup and the John Cena and WWE Championship 33-match championship of the Undertaker, the Roman Reigns and 20-match champion 2023 and Roman Reigns. Matches started from the WrestleMania Uganda Super Cup. Roman, oh no, Roman, oh no, and John Cena, and the Tiger, oh no, John Cena, and the Flash, Roman Reigns shot, and Superman shot, and the Roman Reigns. Match referee, one. No, on the Tiger is big match championship, and then John Cena is retired from the Roman Reigns, and the Tiger, oh no, one John Cena, and the Tiger. Super shot and no one. John Cena. Oh no. The big match is WrestleMania. And John Cena and Roman, and outside of the bench is John Cena and the Tiger. Oh no, John Cena. And the Tiger. John Cena. Roman. 1, 2. No, John Cena, and the Tiger, John Cena. Whoa, very good shot. Superman shot. Roman. Superman pass from the Undertaker. Superman pass from the Undertaker. Roman. One very good shot and Superman pass. Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns. Oh no. Fire of the Roman Reigns. John Cena is down. Roman Reigns. Uganda Cup Peace Championship. Roman and Undertaker. And very good shot. Undertaker. Very good shot. Superman pass. Undertaker. Oh no, Roman. Undertaker. 1, 2. Oh no. John Cena is come back. Oh no. Straight from the John Cena. John Cena. And the triple patch in the John Cena. 1. Roman is down. No, Undertaker. Roman. Superman patch from the Roman. Still Cup champion 2023. Who is the champion? 2023 Uganda Cup is who is the champion? John Cena is down. Roman come from back. Roman and Undertaker back. 1 no. 1 2. He is not very good. Roman and Undertaker. John Cena triple champion match. Tag Team Championship. Roman. Oh no. Superman pass from the Roman. One. Joy Roy, Undertaker is back. Undertaker is back. Undertaker is back. 1, 2. No. Two is the two. 3 of the champion. 3 of the champion. John Cena. John Cena is down. John Cena has come back. John Cena, Undertaker. Roman is come back. Roman, Superman pass. Superman pass. Oh no! Mystic for the Superman pass. Mystic for the Superman pass. Oh no! John Cena and Undertaker. Then John Cena. John Cena is come back. John Cena. Roman is down. Undertaker is down. And Roman is very good energy. Roman is very good energy. Oh no. And John Cena. Oh, still the championship. Superman pass. And the Roman and John Cena. Roman is down. John Cena. Oh no. Still outside of the field. And the Roman and John Cena is come back. John Cena still champion. John Cena. Who's the champion? 2023 Uganda Cup. Who's the champion? Undertaker. Oh no. John Cena. Oh, Roman is back. And John Cena and Roman Superman. Oh yes, WWE champion. So John Cena come from the state WrestleMania. The championship is still pending. Who is the champion 2023? And so John Cena come from the state WrestleMania. John Cena. Out of the Roman, and John Cena is come back. Undertaker, John Cena to Undertaker. 2 versus 2 match. Wow, John Cena. 1, 2, 3. Champion for the John Cena. 23 Uganda Cup champion for the John Cena. John Cena is the Universal champion. Uganda Cup champion. 23 champion. As the Uganda Cup champion is John Cena. John Cena is champion. John Cena 22-3 championship and the John Cena Uganda Cup champion. John Cena speaking the stage.
My name is John Cena and 22-3 and champion. Why is talking to Uganda?
John Cena is very still pending champion. Is 23 champion, 22-3 champion in the Uganda Cup. John Cena is back for the home. John Cena is the back for the home. John Cena.